Who wouldn't love to press pause on aging? But let's be realistic. We can't pause or reverse time. Although we can age beautifully with simple, effective changes in our lifestyle. Here are some of our favorite anti-aging tips and tricks. We can see signs of aging by our mid-20s, so combat that by adding anti-aging superheroes like retinoids. Use them only before bed as they are photosensitive and can react to sunlight. Since this is a strong ingredient, always make sure to do a patch test first. UV rays are the biggest causes of premature aging. Fight it off with the best and safest anti-aging product, Sunscreen, and wear it every day even if you're not spending too much time in the sun. Freckles, pigmentation, dark spots and wrinkles are signs of aging. Add skin brightening serums such as niacinamide, vitamin C and rosehip oil into your routine for brighter, even-toned skin. Work out your face to keep it fit with facial yoga techniques. Try the Marilyn technique to strengthen your lip muscles by creating an exaggerated pout or flying kiss gesture and feel the stretch around your lips. As we age, the muscles around our eyes tend to get droopy. Reduce the appearance of wrinkles and the dreaded crow's feet with this exercise. Gently pull your under eye with your index finger, stretch and relax. This reduces puffiness and dark circles. Repeat every day for a minute. For all those worry lines on your forehead, try this. Widen your eyes without wrinkling your forehead and stare at a point for 5 seconds and repeat. Add anti-aging ingredients to your DIYs such as honey, vitamin E, almond oil, yogurt, and rose water, which are rich in antioxidants and boost skin's elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and keep the skin looking young and plump. Make a 2-ingredient mask by helping yourself to some honey to moisturize and add some rice flour to exfoliate and fight off those wrinkles. Use it up to twice a week for best results. Skincare is a marathon and not a sprint. Keep at it consistently for long-lasting results. And remember, aging is completely normal, and with the help of these tips and tricks, you can age like the fine wine you are. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.